Water. Is it the most valuable thing? I don't know. If you get too much of it, it actually kills you. But let's talk about what that looks like inside of real estate. We got wells. So there's two different types of water system. You have a well or you have city water. Again, it's either a well or it's city water. What is a well? There's types of well. There's a dug, there's a driven, there's a drill. You can read through and it talks about the different depth that these different types of wells are used in. Well components, well casing, well caps, well screens, pipeness adapters, jet pumps, submersible pumps. And we can see what the well looks like. It's literally a tube in the earth. It's dug down until it reaches water. And that water is pumped up to the home for us to drink or consume. Well location. I've dug wells before, and it is very, very shocking of how difficult this can be. If, for instance, you reach an area that has clay, it can be a nightmare to actually get clean, clear water. You have to get all the way through the clay. Let's go into what it looks like for city water. Well, here's the city water. We got the water filtration plant, and we have the city water supply line that runs right down the street. It's either on the side of the street, or sometimes they do put it right up underneath the street. But in all cases though, the houses, the homes around it are fed directly into that water line.